This is the main elevator at Penn Center East 2 in Wilkins Township, Pennsylvania. This is Schindler 300A with MT. Let's hold this. Great basement. And here we go down. Here's the basement, elevator 2. There's the service elevator, which we'll do next. Go to 2. Sticky buttons. And here we go up. There's also an old elevator here, probably like a Pittsburgh elevator or something, with armor mounted by Schindler 300A, probably around the same time this was installed. Here 2, and the service one across. Service one actually directly outside on the first floor. There's a lot of space. Go back down to 1. ADA phone, but the wires are sticking out, so I don't know if it works. 550 pounds capacity rating. Interesting. Basic standard kind. Interesting dark kind. But pain